This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Lacie Groeninger. A durable ranch-style 3-bed 2-bath home across the street from Lake Oconee. This home has a great floor plan that flows well from the spacious main living area, large kitchen and separate dining room. Recently updated, including a gorgeous tiled master bath. You'll love the over an acre lot and fenced-in backyard with stone patio and fire pit. Located minutes away from shopping, restaurants, marinas and Lake Oconee attractions. For more information, review the details below or contact Lacie Groeninger at 706-252-8020.